Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport. I've got this Range Rover Evoque diesel. So we have removed the front bar and most of the stuff here and the fan and all that out. So we can actually get to the actual radiator here. So the radiator was leaking on this vehicle, so we managed to take this condenser out without taking the actual fitting. So that way we don't have to customer doesn't have to pay for the gas. But at the same time, we're going to inspect whatever we see at the front here. Make sure everything is fine. And let's have a look at the radiator. The radiator is leaking down here. As you can see it there, it's leaking. And that's the fan. It's leaking on the corner there. Okay, so just a quick video to show how much work needs to be done just to get this radiator out. So pretty much the front bar is going to come off and other stuff is going to come off as well to get to that. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.